Yes, 1970 Chevelle SS, matching numbers, 396, 350. Very well maintained, which you can see the paint, very nice. Has everything on it. Has the tires are brand new, pretty much. American racing wheels. Also, I have in my garage, I have the SS original wheels I have that goes with it. Anyways, as you can see, it's very well straight. Everything's straight. Everything lines up. Blah blah blah. Yep, everything lines up. Everything is straight. Everything is in line, which you can see. Okay, very clean car. Also, this car was used in a Kid Rock video years ago called First Kiss, if you want to look it up, people. And also, yep, so vinyl top, that's in good shape also. Okay, open up the door, see the interior. It's clean, well taken care of, no rips, nothing. Dash is pretty new within the last 2 years or whatever. Everything. Yep. Okay. I've had a car since 2015. There's like 7,000 miles that were put on it, which isn't a lot. 2015 to 25, so there you go. Okay, thank you.